naming conventions in Java. See, naming conventions in Java means what? See, in Java, uppercase letters consider as different, lowercase letters consider as different. So let me say in Java, uppercase letters will consider as different and lowercase letters will consider as different. That's why we consider Java is a case sensitive programming language. So tell me, Java is a which language? Yes. Sir, last time you told object oriented, but remember today I am telling Java is a case sensitive programming language. Case sensitive means upper, lower means lower. For example, if I am writing A is equal to 10, capital A is equal to 10. So tell me, it is a one variable or two variables? Two variables. Upper consider as different and lower consider as different. That's why it is known as which language? Case sensitive. See, remember one point it is, when we are learning any language, we should learn thoroughly, guys, when we need to learn thoroughly. So our languages actually are two categories, guys, two categories. I'm not talking about types. I'm talking about what? Categories. So categories means we have a case sensitive languages. And one more we have what here? Case insensitive languages. So tell me total how many languages? Case sensitive, case insensitive. For example, generally I'm taking example of girls. Girls are very sensitive. If you say something, they will cry. Boys, insensitive, they will laugh. Yes or no, tell me. If I say something wrong about you, you never feel shame. Sir, why sir? Anduku sir? So means that is called what your case? Insensitive. So remember, in languages also we have case sensitive, insensitive. For example, you take C, C++, Java, .NET, Python. These all are known as what here? Case sensitive languages. Upper means upper, lower means lower. Now tell me, when it is comes to case insensitive languages, in our classes, in our course, we are going to cover Oracle database. What we are going to cover? Oracle database. Oracle database is a case insensitive. You want to write in uppercase, write in uppercase, lowercase, mixed case, your wish. It's a case insensitive. And even in front end, we are learning what? HTML. Remember, we have Java codes now. Java codes means what codes? Full stack developer codes. Full stack developer codes means we have a front end, back end database. So front end means HTML we are going to learn. So HTML is a case insensitive language. You want to write in uppercase, write in uppercase. You want to write in lowercase, mixed case, your wish. Understood my point here now? So remember, but comes to the Java is a case sensitive programming language. So upper means we should write upper only. Lower means we should write lower only. So that is the reason. As Java is a case sensitive, we must and should follow naming conventions for following things. Yes, we need to follow naming conventions for following things. So for what we need to follow naming conventions for following things? See this. So here what we need to do for classes, interfaces, variables, methods, keywords, packages, constants. Sir, I didn't understand anything. See, remember in Java what is available? Assume that you want to become a Java developer now. So you need to learn this only: class, interface, variable, method, keyword, constant, package. If you learn this, then only you can write the Java code, because in Java code, we are using this only. Don't ask me today what is class, what is interface, variable, method, keyword, package, constant. Today we will learn how to write class, how to write interface, how to write variables, method, keywords, package, and constants. Only how to write. What are those? We will see later. Remember that point here. Any student who is missing this class, he cannot do proper coding in Java. Because we are learning how to declare the class. Because Java program is first we need to write what? Class. You don't know how to declare. What will you write? Understood my point here now? So let me go to the first one. What is the first one? Class comes here. What Java is telling? Java is telling very simple. In Java, a class must and should starts with uppercase letter. And if it contains multiple words, then each inner word must starts with init cap. Sir, I didn't understand anything. Assume that whenever you are going for an interview, in interview, if anybody says how to write a class, so tell them class name always starts with uppercase. If it contains multiple words, each inner word must starts with init cap. Init cap means initial letter capital. Sir, I didn't understand anything, sir. What you are telling, I don't know. You don't know, huh? Okay. Come here. Remember, in Java, there are two types of classes are there. One is called predefined classes. One is called user-defined classes. So tell me total how many classes in Java? Two classes are there in Java. What are those? Predefined classes, user-defined classes. Predefined classes means classes which is given by Java people. Java gave classes. That is known as predefined, built-in class. Built-in class means who gave? Java people gave. That is predefined class. User-defined class means created by user. Assume that there are many classes are there in Java which is given by Java people. First one I will give system. System is a what? Predefined class given by Java people. Even we have array list. Array list is a class given by Java people. Even I want to give you hash set. Hash set is a class given by Java people. Even I want to give you what is string. String is a class given by Java people. We have a local date. Local date is a class given by Java people. And etc. etc. Lot of classes Java gave. And now you focus here. What I said array developer. Whenever you are writing a class name always starts with uppercase. Tell me every class name starts with what case? Uppercase. Now tell me this class name having multiple words or not? Yes. If it's having multiple words, inner word must starts with init cap, initial letter capital. Understood my point here now? But we are very smart. We are very intelligent. How you people will write a class now like this? What you wrote? Sir, class, sir. Which class? Hash set class, sir. This is hash set class, sir. You are writing two names. Hash set. But I told what class? Hash set class. Understood na? Space is allowed, huh? Space is not allowed. Array, your name is having space, man. Class name is not having any space. Understood my point here now? So remember, it should be a single word only. Every names must be single word. Nobody will take two words like our name. Our name is having first name, okay, last name, middle name, like that. But don't consider in programming we have such kind of things. Only we need to take what? Single word. That's it. Class, one word. Finish. Understood, everybody? That is given by whom? Java people gave this many classes. Now comes to our own class. You know just now what we wrote? Test. Class, test. I wrote, na? Test is my which class? My class. Assume that my name is Raj. I will write Raj. Understood my point? Which class? My class. Assume that I will write what here? I have talent. What is capital? I capital, T capital. I will say one more class that is known as quality. Quality thought. And etc. 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 This is known as what here? My own classes. I can write my name, your name, anything we can write. So understands, whenever you write the name always starts with uppercase, init cap, initial letter capital. Any space is there? Don't take the space, otherwise you will get error. Understood my point here, no? Focus here, focus here, focus here. 1 hour session, focus here. So next we need to go for what here? Interface, guys. What it is? Interface. One more story I did not tell you. One day, one student came to my class and he was using mobile phone. Unfortunately, that mobile phone fell down. Screen gone. 25,000 to 30,000 he paid the fees. Again, one more new mobile for 25,000. Fees how much? 50,000. Now you decide. You want to pay 25,000 or you want to pay 50,000? Your wish. So please remember, don't use mobile phones in the classes. Concentrate. You came here for career. So now what we need to do? Next we need to go for what? Interfaces. Interfaces means I will tell you. Same guys, copy to copy. Copy to copy only. See this? In Java, an interface must and should starts with uppercase letter. And if it contains multiple words, then each inner word must starts with init cap. Init cap. Initial letter capital. Same like class, na? Same like class. Here also we have predefined interfaces. Predefined interfaces. One is user-defined interfaces. Predefined and one is user-defined. Okay. Now, tell me what are the predefined interfaces? Interfaces given by Java, built-in interface. So we have runnable. Don't worry, don't focus on how do you know this. We will come to know when we start coding. We have a runnable one interface given by Java people. We have a serializable given by Java people. We have a iterator given by Java people. List iterator given by Java people. Here we have prepared a statement given by Java people. Now if you see properly, interface name also starts with uppercase and init cap, initial letter capital. Yes or no, tell me? Both are same. Now tell me, I will write one here, one in my interface. It's my interface I am writing. I am writing test. Now tell me, test is a class or it is an interface? Class also starts with uppercase. Interface also starts with uppercase. Class also having init cap. Interface also having init cap. Now tell me what it is. Lot of confusion or not? Lot of confusion here. To avoid this confusion in the beginning, we will write I. I means we will understand it's a interface. For predefined, we cannot do any changes because these are the given by Java people. But only for user-defined interfaces, what we are writing in the beginning, I. Now tell me, I'm writing I example, I quality thought, and etc. etc. All these are known as what? Interfaces. Understood my point here now? Starts with uppercase, init caps, init caps, init caps. That is common. So tell me, everybody understood how to write a class, how to write interface? Online. Shruti and Naveen. Did you understand how to write a class and how to write interface? You can use chat box if you can't speak. Both. Yes, very good, guys. Very good, very good. Naveen understood. Very good. Shruti, I hope you people also understood now. So now you can see. Next, we need to go for what here? Variables. So in variables, what happens, sir? Variables, what happens? Java is telling, in Java, a variable must and should start with a lower case letter, and if it contains multiple words, then each inner word must start with a initial letter capital. So here we have predefined variables. Here we have user defined variables. So see here, predefined variables means variables which is given by Java. So Java means we have a out, we have ERR, we have in, we have length. These are the variables given by Java people. And if you see properly, if you glance properly, if you glimpse properly, you can find all starting with lowercase only. So now you can see here. But when it comes to user defined variables, my own variables, assume that I'm writing employee ID. I'm giving student a name. Let's say I'm telling what here. Let's say here I can say tuition fee. I will give you what your total, like this you can see here. Now tell me, this is known as what here? Variable. Why variable? It is starting with what case? Lower case, init caps. So many students are there. They will say, what is your dream job? My dream job is to get a job in IT company. Tell me, to get a job in IT company, you should be good in coding now. So if you want to become good in coding, so definitely you need to follow this naming conventions. You should know how to write class. You should know how to write interface. You should know how to write variables. If you don't know, how can you write the code? Tell me. Understood my point? You know? So follow. See, more thing is attending class is not important. You can watch my recorded video also. The main thing is practicals. So what you need to do, I will tell you at the end of the class today. Don't worry. So now immediately we need to go for next is what? Methods. Method same guys. Copy. See this? I will do copy, paste. So only I will say in Java, a method must and should starts with lowercase letter. If it contains multiple words, then each inner word must starts with initial letter capital. So here also we have two types of methods: predefined methods, user defined methods. Predefined methods means methods given by Java people, guys. For example, I will give you get priority, set priority. Otherwise, I will say hash code method, C capital. We can say toString method, get class method, and etc. We can give multiple methods this. So even we can say compare to method if you want. Compare to method like this. So tell me. So what is telling? We are starting with what case? Lower case. And then we have what? Init cap, initial letter capital. Initial letter capital, guys. Okay. So now you can see here, I want to write my own methods. Assume that I am writing get info. I am writing this. Otherwise, I will write get information. Tell me, get information is a variable or get information is a method? Tell me, it's a variable or method? I'm asking to you people, man. I'm teaching to other students. No interactive class means you will not get interest. You never become success in Java, remember. If you are not ready to take the challenges, you cannot do anything in your life. So tell me, get information is a variable or method? It's a variable, guys. It's not a method, guys. Method means at the end it is having open close bracket. If you have open close bracket, then only it is method. Otherwise, it is a variable. Because variable, method, both are same, guys. Lowercase, init cap. Lowercase, init cap. But only the difference is, last you need to keep brackets for methods. But see the variables? Variables having any brackets? Very good. Now let's see here, I will say calculate bill amount. Sorry, guys. Here I have taken what here, calculate bill amount. I can say what here? Okay, get employee details. So, and etc. etc. This all known as what here? My own methods. My own methods, because starts with what case? Lower case. Init cap, init cap, init cap, init cap, init cap, like this. If it's having multiple words, init cap. Understood everybody how to write class, how to write interface, how to write variable, how to write method. Class interface same. Uppercase init cap, uppercase init cap. Variable method is same. Lowercase init cap, lowercase init cap. So it's very difficult to remember. Very difficult to remember. So remember, I will tell you what activity you need to do after the class so that you can store permanently in your mind. Then only you'll understand now. So what I will do now, I will go to the what here, the next one. Who is the next one? I will go to the what? Keywords. So keywords means what I will do, I will say in Java, all keywords we need to write under lowercase letters only. Remember that point. All. So here we have what here? Predefined keywords. That's it. We don't have any user-defined keywords. We don't have. We don't have any user-defined. Only what? Predefined. For example, if, else, even you can say what here? Switch. You can say do, for, and etc. etc. These are known as what? Keywords. Keywords. If you see properly, I will give you the next topic keywords only. Not might be tomorrow, might be day after tomorrow, guys. Because tomorrow is a Sunday, na? Sunday we don't have class. Institute will be open. Give me 1 day of rest. We will meet directly on Monday. So what I was telling is nothing but I will give you total keywords. How many keywords are there in Java? You don't worry. That is a separate topic we will learn. But today you understand only one point. Whenever we are writing the keywords in Java, we should write in lowercase. For example, I will give you one best example which I already gave you. See, this is my program now. Today only we wrote this. We didn't execute it. Coding program execution will start on Monday. Monday I will show you how to install the Java, how to execute the first program in Java, history of Java. Like that I will explain on Monday. But today you understand. You can see what keyword here? Class. Class you can see now. Class is actually keyword. That's why you are writing in what case? Lowercase. Public, static, void. These are what? Keywords. But remember, main is not a keyword. Main is having open bracket, closing bracket. It's a method. Understood my point here now? So remember that point here. What is method? What is keyword? You should understand. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I got an idea. So see this is the keywords. Now we need to go for what here? Packages. Same guys. In Java, all packages we need to write under lowercase letters only. So we have predefined packages. We have user-defined packages. Understood my point here? Now we have predefined packages and user-defined packages. So what packages Java gave? Java.lang, Java.io, Java.util, java.util.stream, java.text, java.sql, java x dot servlet, java x dot jsp, and etc etc etc. So remember, these are the packages given by Java people. So it is given by Java, that's why everywhere you can find java dot java dot java dot like that. So it is not compulsory that we should also write java dot like that, because they said that it's a package for Java. So that's why they created like this. So our packages, you can see, we can write in any way. For example, what's your name? Santosh. I can write Santosh directly. Understood my point? I can write Santosh. I can write any name, guys. Any name I can write. I want to write iHub, I can write iHub. I want to write quality thought, I can write quality thought, I can write quality thought like this. But remember one point today. Industry what telling, industry is telling whatever the domain is available for your business. Domain means what? www.ihubtalent.com. This is our website address. It should be reverse order of URL. Reverse order of URL means com.ihubtalent.www. Industry is telling whenever you write your package, your own package, follow this format. You can write normal Santosh also. You can write normal IHub also. But industry is telling to write in which way? This way it is telling to write. Reverse order of URL. Understood my point here? No, it's not compulsory, guys. But if you write, you are following the industry standard. So now, what happens? Okay, sir. So tell me, we are learning which package first? Lang package. Then we will learn IO package. Then we will learn. Learning Java is nothing but learning packages only. Remember that point here. Today we are writing one code means it comes under lang package. Tomorrow we will start IO package, then util package, util stream package, text package. So learning Java is nothing but learning different packages. Understood my point here now? Okay, sir, I understood about keywords. I understood about packages. Keywords, packages, we need to write in lowercase. Now we need to go to the what here? The next one, the last one. That is known as what here? Constants. Constants we need to write. So what I need to tell you, in Java, all constants we need to declare under uppercase letters only. Which case? Uppercase. Here also we have predefined constants, and even we have user defined constants. We have predefined constants and user defined. Predefined means given by what? Java people. For example, max underscore priority, min underscore priority, norm underscore priority, max underscore value, min underscore value, like this. User defined means my own. I want to do this. So for example, I'm giving a limit is equal to 10. So otherwise you just remove it. Just remember, all are what case? Uppercase. Uppercase means it is a what? Constant. I'm writing n. N is a which case? Uppercase means it is a constant. Constant it is. I hope you people understood what is constants. I mean, how to write the constants in Java now. Understood everybody? Yes. So now let's see this one now. What happens, when you are going for an interview, guys, so you should know how to write a class. Tell me how to write a class, shortcut. How to write a class? Uppercase, init cap. How to write a class? Uppercase, init cap. How to write interface? Uppercase, init cap. Same, uppercase, init cap. Say you like this. Tell me how to write variable. Lowercase init cap. How to write method? Lowercase init cap. Keywords, all small case or lowercase, anything you can say. Packages, all lowercase. Constants, understood my points? Constants means all are uppercase. Thank you, online people. We'll meet in the next session.